So here we're going to blend the ingredients. We have the garlic and the garlic and the ginger. Then we're going to put the onions. So I'm going to add the spring onion, some of the spring onion, because I also need the spring onion inside the mix. So what I'll do after the spring onion, I'll add the spring onion, add a little liquid, and then blend to paste because of the garlic and the ginger. So I'll blend this. So I have a, oh my god, this, it's the aroma coming out from this is lovely. So I have the garlic, onion, spring onion, some of the spring onion, ginger. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put in some ground pepper, some all-purpose, some thyme, some curry, and then the ultimate of all my herbs. So put this now and some drops of groundnut oil, blend it together to make this puree that I'm going to add into my mix. So this is all the thyme, curry, rosemary, nut cube, seasoning cube, and everything I have. Now I'm putting in the herbs. All the herbs going in now. Now the aim of this is to make a very good paste that you're going to mix with other things and then blend in and put it into the turkey. And the best way to add groundnut oil on this when you're blending is, as you blend, you open up here, pour in some groundnut oil, and if you notice this might be a little bit hard, so use the wooden spoon and help it to push this downwards. Be careful. Then if it is too dry, put in a little water from the top. And then I'm using extra virgin oil. I will put this from the top here to enable it blend. This is going to give me a good paste. That's the end. Okay, as you can see, this is well mixed. And the ground oil inside is going to make it not to be too dry. Alright, so we bring this down now and then commence the mix. So I have the parsnip, the carrot and everything. I'm pouring this juice on top. If you taste this, it's a little bit salty because I put salt. It's lovely. The aroma coming up from it is so lovely. Now you can use this as it is, just to marinate your meat without all this. But since we pour this, using a big pot would be nice so that you can mix all this together.